Wah, ah, 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 ah. Are you guys ready to get tricked? First thing we gotta do is sing our song. Then we're gonna check our work from yesterday. Then I'm going to trick you with some pattern stuff, so be ready. Let's start by singing. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thanks for singing with me. All right, let's check our work. Are you ready? Do you remember how yesterday I was telling you about the bunnies in my yard? So we're going to use our handy dandy number line to count our jumps. Remember, we're seeing how many jumps he did. Well, we know he did 10 jumps in total, but we're seeing how many jumps he did before his break at number 6, and then he jumped some more to get to 10. So what two numbers will we add together to get to his 10 jumps? I'm going to start by drawing the jumps to number 6 to his break, okay? So ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. Hey, that makes sense because he rested at number 6. And then let me switch up my colors. How many more jumps did he do? This is kind of the harder part of the question. How many more jumps did he do before he had to take his rest at 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make sure. Let me double check. I'm going to count my jumps. Ready? 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jumps. So I've got 4. So remember, we always know the jumps. That's the curvy part right here. We count the parts at the top. That's one whole jump. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 jumps plus 4 jumps equals 10 jumps. Does that sound right? Sounds right to me. Does that sound right to you? So repeat after me. 6 jumps plus 4 jumps equals 10 jumps. Perfect. Let's act it out. Ready? Everybody, let's get in character of a bunny rabbit. Show me your ears. Let's see your ears. Okay, now show me how you eat a carrot as a bunny rabbit. Remember, bunnies have big teeth, so use your big teeth to chomp at your carrot. All right, and then the other thing you need to know is that our bunny rabbits, they hop, right? So we are going to take a rest at number 6 and then hop 4 more times to get to 10. Ready? So hop 6 times with me. Can you count out loud while you hop? Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should we try it in Spanish? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we got to hop 4 more times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4 equals what? 6 plus 4 equals 10. Do you guys have enough energy to jump 10 more times with Miss Steiner? Woo! All right, let's count in English to 10 and jump. Are you ready? Get on your bunny ears. Eat a carrot. Gotta fuel up. 10 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, you guys, are you as tired as Miss Steiner? Holy cow. Thanks for jumping and counting with me. Are you ready to get tricked now? We're about halfway through calendar. Let me show you what I've got up here to show you guys. Look at my ever so tricky pattern. I want to see if you can figure it out today. Whew, I need to breathe. Okay, so up here, I'm going to read you what they are. Remember, the dark ones are toads, the light ones are frogs, right? So we've got, can you see that? Yep. Frog, toad, frog, frog. Toad, frog, frog, frog. Toad, frog, frog, frog. frog, toad. All right, guys, I'm going to count to 20. Tell me everything you notice about the pattern. Ready? Go. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you miss me? All right, let's talk about this pattern. So here we have one frog and then one toad. Nice. Here we have two frogs, and then a toad. So one frog, one toad, two frogs, one toad. Here we have 1, 2, 3 frogs, one toad. Weird. Okay, so we've got one frog, one toad, two frogs, one toad, 3 frogs, one toad, and now here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs, one toad. What could that pattern be? 1 frog, 1 toad, 2 frogs, 1 toad, 3 frogs, 1 toad, 4 frogs, 1 toad. This is my trickiest pattern I have ever given you in kindergarten. So I'm going to let that sink in for a little bit. And before I change for next month, I'm going to reveal what the pattern is. But I want you to be thinking about it. And I want you to be writing equations that equal the number of frogs we have up here. This is a huge number, you guys. We have, can we count how many we have in total? Actually, I'm going to give you a second to do that on your own. And then I want you to tell me how you did it, because I have a couple different ways. So I'm going to give you 20 seconds to count it on your own. I'm going to be thinking about it too. And then we're going to talk about how we know how many animals there are. So you're counting the little squares up here. Did you say there were 14? Because if you did, you are the smartest kid in the whole world. There are 14 animals up there. Well, actually, let's talk about how we know. So I bet a lot of you counted one by one. They went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cool. I bet some other kids might have thought of this. They said, well, I know there's 5 in that first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. 5, double it. Do you remember how to do that? Double. Double of 5 is 10, and then they just added on the extra 4. Did anybody do that? Double, and then add 4. Did anybody count the number of toads? How many toads are there? They're the gray ones. There are 4 toads, and then count the number of frogs. There are 10 frogs. And they said, well, 10 plus 4, because there are 10 frogs and 4 toads, that equals 14. You guys are geniuses. I know you figured it out some way. Now, on your own, I want you to be thinking about our frog and toad pattern. And I also, I never changed the calendar. I also want you to think of an equation that you could make to try to trick Miss Steiner to say, plus equals 14. Okay? Perfect. I'll see you in a little bit for ELD.